Sonance DSPs include a low-pass and high-pass crossover adjustment that can be saved to each preset individually. Each crossover can be toggled on and off. Set the crossover frequency. The frequency can be set anywhere between 20 Hz and 20 kHz. 6, 12, 18, and 24 dB per octave Butterworth filters can be applied to the crossover. The higher the number, the faster the speaker output will be reduced below or above the crossover frequency. In a typical system containing satellites and subwoofers, the crossover frequency would be set at around 80 to 100 Hz for both the high and low-pass filters. The subwoofer DSP curve would utilize the low-pass crossover, while the satellite DSP curve would utilize the high-pass crossover.